Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Puffology. In this video we'll see how to download and install Python in our laptop. So let us go to our Chrome browser and type Python download. Over here you can see this is the official website of Python, www.python.org. So we'll open this link and over here you get the option to download Python, and this is basically the latest version of Python 3.9.6. So let us download this. So after your setup is downloaded, let me open the setup. So over here at the bottom you will get this add Python 3.9 to path, so you need to check this box, otherwise you will have to manually add the path in your laptop, and after that click on install now. So the installation is in progress, it will take some time to get installed. So now you can see the Python has installed successfully. Let me close this and we'll also verify whether it has installed properly or not. So we'll go to CMD and type Python version. So over here you can see 3.9.6 version of Python is successfully installed in our laptop. So now we have installed Python, but to write code and run code will also require a IDE, and the most famously used IDE for Python is PyCharm. So let us also download that. So we'll again go to our Chrome browser and type PyCharm download. So this JetBrains is the official website of this PyCharm application. So we'll open this link. And over here you have two options to download. One is professional and one is community. So we'll download the community option, which is free and open source. So let us download this. So the download has started. It will take some time to get download. So now PyCharm is downloaded. Let us install it. So this is the setup. We'll open this. Over here we'll click on next. This is the destination folder of our PyCharm. We'll keep it as it is and click on next. Now over here you can create a desktop shortcut. You can also update path variable and do other things over here. We'll just create a desktop shortcut and we'll again click on next. We will keep it as it is and again click on install. So now the installation has started. It will again take some time to get installed. Now PyCharm is successfully installed. Let us run this. We'll check this box and click on finish. After you have launched PyCharm, you need to also accept the terms and condition of its use. So we'll click on this I confirm option and click on continue. So we are basically using PyCharm Community Edition 2021. So PyCharm has launched and it is basically loading few required components. At the bottom you can see it is scanning files to index, so let it complete. Okay, so now we are done. We have successfully launched PyCharm, and over here this is our file directory. Now let us create a project. So I'll go into file and click on new project, and by default it has taken the name Python project. Let us create it. Now the pop-up says project can either be opened in a new window or replace the project, so we'll replace this. In this window itself we want to open this project. So as we are doing this for the first time, it is basically creating a virtual environment to run our code. So this will happen only once, whenever the first time you will launch PyCharm in your laptop. So this is our main.py file. Let me clear all this and also run a simple hello world program. So we'll type print, and inside print in double inverted commas we'll type hello world. Now to execute this code, either we can run it from here, the option provided over here, or we can right click over here and execute run Python file in console. So now you can see we have got the output over here, hello world. So with this, basically in this video we have covered how to install Python, then how to install an IDE, that is PyCharm, in a laptop, and also we have executed a simple print hello world program in PyCharm. So that's it in this video. In our next video we'll see in detail about Python. Till then, stay tuned and thank you for watching.